fix Google Photo storage problem on your phone. So if you are seeing Google Photo storage problem on your phone, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the end till now about it. So let's get started. The first thing which you can do is that you just need to check your Google Storage account. So you just need to open Google Photos on the device, and from here you just need to click on the option of your profile at the very top right, and here you'll see the option of account storage. So see here you'll see the option of account storage, and currently mine is full and I will be able to back up my photos. So the thing which you can do is that you just need to clean up the storage on Google Photos. So you may also click on the option of get storage to buy it, or you may click on the option of manage storage, and here you will see the option of last photos and videos and the storage taken by it. So if you click on it, you may simply select the video which you want to delete. So let's say if I want to delete this video, I'll simply select it like this and I'll click on the option of delete at the very top right. So you just need to delete the unnecessary items which you have kept on your Google Photos, and you will be able to free up some storage. And the thing is that you may also change the upload quality. So you may simply change the upload quality of the photos which you are trying to upload on Google Photos, and that may also save you some space, and you will be able to fix the Google Photo storage problem on your phone. So that's it. That's how you can fix it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.